Hi everyone, welcome to this quick overview of our Blackboard course site for ECED 201. I just wanted to make sure that everyone knows where to find all of our course materials. Since we will not be meeting face-to-face in class, it'll just be important that we can all navigate the Blackboard site and find things quickly and easily. So when you first click on the course, you will come to our homepage, and our homepage just has any announcements or tasks and things that might need your immediate attention here for you. As you can see, I have one task set up for us already, which is to explore the Blackboard site. On the left, you'll see I've separated the navigation menu into several different sections here. So in the About This Course section, you will find Meet Your Instructor. And here you can just learn a little bit more about me personally and professionally, as well as watch a little bit of an introduction video that I made for you. You can find the course syllabus. It's here available for you to download or view in multiple formats. And you can also find course content here. The course content section will really just have supplemental content. This is not our main content each week in our weekly learning modules, such as lectures and course activities, but rather things like recommended websites, helpful articles, and other resources. The video tutorials and overviews will be here. So if you'd like to see an overview or a tutorial on a specific assignment or how to create a video, for example, those will be here. The recommended websites, articles, and resources are just recommended. They are not required, but they're here for you in case you'd like some additional information or would just like to learn more about a specific topic that we've covered in the textbook and in the lecture, but you still have some questions. I've also added a link to the assignments page here, just as another point of access. The weekly learning modules section will be one of the most important sections because this is where you will come each week to get the course objectives, your assignments, your lectures, and any sort of required activities for the week. So as you can see, you will only have access to week 1 right now, and that's because each week the module will open up. So you will not have weeks 1 through 15 available to you from the beginning, and those will open up on the Monday that our course week starts, and then you will still have access to them after that. So in week 3, for example, you would have access to weeks 1, 2, and 3. If you visit the weekly learning module for week 1, you can see all of the required readings, videos, and things like that here. I will do a separate video outlining sort of what the general format for our weekly module will be, but this is how you navigate to the weekly modules. Under the Activities, Assignments, and Assessments section, if you click on Assignments, you can see I've created different folders for each type of major assignment. So for example, to submit your critical reflections, you will click on the Critical Reflections folder and click on each individual reflection. I've also included rubrics in the form of a Word document, and the rubric is also included for you here in the assignment submission. So if you just click on View Rubric, it'll bring up a rubric for you. Any comments or feedback that I give during grading will be here in this rubric within Blackboard for you. So this is where you will come to submit your assignments. And I have enabled multiple submissions, so if you have an issue uploading or submitting, please let me know and feel free to resubmit if it's before the due date. You can also access the discussion board here. So you will see there's already one discussion board here for you for week 1. And this is also where you would access your grades. You can view the entire gradebook here, and this will be updated as you get your grades back. Under the additional resources section, you can purchase course materials, go to the Blackboard Help Center, or visit the library subject guide. The tools section or link will be helpful for you to be able to find things like Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, any blogs that we might be using, wikis, and any other course tools that we might use throughout the semester. I will do my best to go ahead and add another link here on the menu for any tools that we're using, such as a blog or a wiki, but if you can't find it here on this left menu, then always try to look under the Tools tab here. If you will be meeting with me for office hours or just to meet to ask some questions and things like that, if you set up a meeting with me, we will be using Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. And so if you just click on Blackboard Collaborate Ultra here, our course room is available and open to you, and this is how you will meet in a virtual meeting with me. So that is a general overview of the course website. And if you have any questions or concerns about accessing any of these sections, please let me know.